Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a glow text effect on Canva. So select text here, and actually just select this one and just add it to the canvas. Here you can also change the fonts if you want to change it. It is up to you. My Canva is taking a long time to load. I think it's just my internet, to be honest. So you can also change the font. You can also change the color here. For instance, if you want a blue one, you can just change it. And you can also change the text of the glow. Well, like, you can change the text of the template over here, so you don't have to add in the glow. It will be added for you, so it's easier. That is pretty much how you can create a glow text effect on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!